Black Country Healthcare is predominantly a mental health and community trust. We're based in the Black Country, which is in the middle of England, just next to Birmingham. We're one of the most deprived regions in the country, and that means that a lot of our staff have got low levels of digital confidence, and that makes it very difficult to provide the support that we need to. When I started in the trust, we had a very low level of digital maturity. We'd undertaken the national DMA and got a very low score. So we had a very poor service desk system that would only give us really low levels of reporting, so it made it really difficult to be able to manage service desks.
We realised that that ticketing system wasn't really fit for purpose anymore. So what we have done is looked on the market to see what other ITSM solutions were available, Halo being one of them, and the one thing that stood out of it for us was the whole ITIL process that you can manage within Halo.
When we brought Halo in, it made a massive impact on the team. We started off just really doing our IT service desk, rolled that out then to the rest of digital services, and now that's taken off. So we've now got over 100 agents using Halo, and now recently have rolled out to HR and people services. So we're bringing lots and lots of different services on board, so we can just have one single point of access.
I think the self-service portal is really key for staff across the trust, because all they want is a platform to go to, IT, EPR, or whatever your query is. They can click on a box and then they get a list of options for them to select from. They click on whatever they want with ease and just submit their form straight away. That was a quick win for us because it obviously saved them time having to trawl through the intranet or finding who to email for certain queries. We can develop these forms ourselves. We can tailor them to what we need in terms of what questions we want them to fill in. And then we get all of the information firsthand as soon as we get that ticket, rather than going backwards and forth.
We've just been awarded the Excellence in Digital Accreditation. Part of that is around our digital maturity and how we support our staff, not just in digital but across the whole organisation. And some of the organisations on there look at the best practice. We built our chatbot through Halo and we've called her Mary, and they've taken Mary as a point of best practice.
So we have got our chatbot set up. It is currently using a workflow that we've manually set up. So it asks a series of questions and it will go through those different questions. If it does get stuck, it will give them a knowledge base to refer to, or it will give them a direct link to one of the ticket type for them to just submit that form, which will go to the relevant team then. We have gone live with spine enablement. Staff across the trust can then access our electronic patient record using a virtual smart card. Because all of the teams were set up on Halo, we changed the visibility so everybody could have access to different tickets. So we managed to bounce around the tickets from team to team for the spine enablement project, and it was a success in the end. Since we've had Halo, the support has been next to none. Like, as soon as we submit a ticket, we're getting a response pretty much the same day.
The big impact that it's had though, having Halo, is it shows the team that we're investing in them, and it shows that we value them as a team, that we're prepared to invest to give them the right tools so that they're not using substandard tools to support our workforce. So going forward, the vision is that we will get all of our customer facing services that are supporting our staff, we hope to get them onto Halo, so we have a single point of access for any support requirements.